So right when you walk in from the door, you're gonna see a full kitchen. You have a nice refrigerator, and of course, freezer. I mean, look at this view. Just the oxygen. Oh man. I'm telling you, the takeoff here is crazy because you feel like you can wave at the people or give them a high five. Pretty close. Very clean. For 60 bucks a night, this is amazing. Hey folks, welcome to another travel vlog. Today is going to be short and sweet video. I'm going to show you an apartment, 2-bedroom plus a living room apartment in Trabzon city center by the airport for 60 bucks a night. Just to give you a comparison, a Holiday Inn hotel is $100 a night. Doubletree is $200 a night. So for 60 bucks a night with a full kitchen is not bad. So with that said, let's go check it out. So Panorama apartment is what it's called. That's the view that you get right there. Amazing view of the Black Sea. You know, very, very secure. They have cameras everywhere. They have their own parking. Y'all know this boss lady over here?
Hi guys, how are you?
Y'all know this princess over here? What about tiny princess? And Miriam over there. There you go. And then it does have a really nice elevator. So let me show you the elevator for luggage. There you go. All right, let's go in and check out the room and see what you think. All right guys, so this is the apartment right here. So right when you walk in from the door, you're gonna see a full kitchen. You have a nice refrigerator and of course, freezer. And you got plenty cabinet space, all the things you need to cook if you want to cook here. Microwave, washer dryer. The washer's here, the dryer's downstairs in the office, and then the dishwasher. And you have a stove and an oven. And then this is where you eat your dinner and breakfast. And one of the cool spots here is you get an amazing view of the airport and then the Black Sea. I mean, look at this view. Just the oxygen. Oh man. You can see planes right there. There's one right there that's getting ready to go up. Turkish Airlines getting ready to take off. I'm telling you, the takeoff here is crazy because you feel like you can wave at the people or give them a high five. It's pretty close. There we go. See you later. Never gets old. We've seen probably like 50 takeoffs like this. Never gets old. Pretty cool. Now all of these are 2 bedrooms and a living room. So this is the right here. This is the living room, family room. Very spacious. There's a smart TV, multiple seats. And then, you know, kids can definitely sleep here. Short people can sleep here. You know, these are pretty wide. You can make these additional beds. Very clean. For 60 bucks a night, this is amazing. And then you got another balcony here. This one is bigger table, so you can actually stay here and enjoy breakfast. We're on the high top floor now. This thing is pretty high. There you go. That's the terrace all the way in the bottom. That's where the office is. That's where the property management Mustafa is. You have a A101, which is like a supermarket over there. You can go to and get you whatever you want for the kitchen. All right, let me show you the bedrooms. This one right here is a kid's bedroom. This is a 2 single bed, pretty long, so plenty space for the kids. This is bathroom here. So you have a traditional European bathroom, and then a corner shower and a sink. And then this is the master bedroom, Qibla for making pray, salah. And then you have another balcony here, facing the front. So there you go folks, 60 bucks a night, top floor, 2 bedrooms, plus a living room, full kitchen, dishwasher, stove, washer, and the dryer in the office. You honestly cannot beat that for 60 bucks a night. It's really good. So that's it folks. This is the room and the property. So hopefully you enjoyed. Definitely highly recommend it. All right folks, we're end of our video, but with that said, don't worry. We have 2 more videos coming your way at the end of this screen that you can click on. With that said, thanks so much and please don't forget to follow us.